Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Smith, and as you can see I have a guest here today. My sister came to visit and I was going to do her hair, so I said why not record it. I'm going to show you from start to finish how I do her hair. I did end up doing some knotless box braids, however this is not a knotless box braid tutorial, so I didn't want anyone thinking that. So let me just jump right in. I'm just seeing what her hair needs, and from the looks of it her hair was kind of dry, and I said okay, we're going to go in with the Prepoo. So I took a water bottle with some water and just started to like finger detangle a little bit, and also putting in my favorite Prepoo from Mielle Organics. If you haven't seen my review on that Prepull, I will link it down below. Like I said before, I recommend prepooing to everybody, whether your hair is dry or not. Prepooing is like just a preconditioning process, and it adds moisture to your hair so your hair won't be like super dry once you wash it. And also it's an opportunity to get that dead hair out. When you have hair that's just shedding, that can help mat your hair up. So you want to take this opportunity to get all of that out before you shampoo, because you know when you shampoo it's not that easy to finger detangle. So this is just an extra step that I recommend that everybody does, just to make their wash day a little bit easier and to maintain some of your hair. You don't want to go snagging out hair that you don't have to snag out. So after I got done doing this, I moved on to the shampoo. So for the shampoo, I went in with the Treluxe Curl Renew and Restore Cleansing Rinse. I absolutely love this shampoo. It's one of my favorites. It actually gets my hair pretty clean and it leaves your hair super moisturized. This is definitely one of my top 5 favorite shampoos. So when you're about to do a protective style, you want to make sure your hair is moisturized, because if your hair is like dry and brittle and not properly taken care of in a protective style, your hair can break off, and you don't want that. What's the point of getting a protective style if your hair is not going to be protected? So I went in with this moisturizing shampoo about 3 times, and then after that I went in with the deep conditioner. So for my deep conditioner, I went in with the Kinky Curly Stellar Strands deep conditioner. I feel that this deep conditioner has a proper balance of moisture and protein, and I figured she didn't really need one or the other, so I figured this was a real good deep conditioner to use to make sure her hair was properly nourished and had moisture and strength. So I just put this on, and she actually slept with this on overnight, because I actually don't know why. I mean, I guess why not? You was staying at my house. What's the rush to rinse it out? So yeah, we just put this on root to ends overnight, and then the next day we washed it out. You want to deep condition your hair to make sure your hair is properly strengthened or moisturized, whatever your hair needs. If you have been doing moisturizing treatments, you want to make sure your hair is strengthened, because your hair can snap off too once it's too moisturized. Like, I know that sounds crazy. And also, of course, if your hair is too like strengthened with like a bunch of protein treatments, your hair can also break off. So you just need to make sure your hair has the right balance, and going into a protective style with the right care, because once you take it out, you know, you pretty much gonna get back what you put in. So you don't want to take your hair out and have a bunch of damaged hair. So the next day we rinsed it out, and as you can see, her curls are like super tight and popping. Even her like straight ends had a little bit of a curl in it. Deep condition is very important, whether you're putting in a protective style or not. Everybody needs to deep condition. So after rinsing it out, I sprayed some heat protectant on her hair and ran through it with a blow dryer. I only did it a couple times, but her hair got pretty straight because, you know, I got a little skills. I got her hair pretty straight with the blow dryer. So yeah, and after that we started braiding. So as I stated earlier, she told me that she wanted knotless box braids. So she told me a size that she wanted, and we went with that. And I actually was going to make this kind of like a demo on how to do the knotless box braids, but filming a demo on somebody else's head, like with the tripod and the camera angle view, actually isn't all that easy as people make it seem. So I'm like, yeah, we're gonna say that for another video, when this just wasn't the time for that. So yeah, I got done doing her box braids, and that's pretty much it. She absolutely loved them. I loved them. They were so nice. I got a lot of inboxes on Instagram on, you know, when I'm gonna start. If you are in the DMV, I have started secretly taking people doing their hair. I know that sounds crazy, but I just wasn't ready yet to go public. But yeah, if you're in the DMV, hit me up on Instagram in my DMs and I will fit you in. I love doing hair. I love braiding hair. That's why yeah, I was excited when she told me she wanted her hair done. It gave me an opportunity to like do somebody's hair except for mine, and I got all boys, so I can't do their hair. So this was actually pretty nice. I used the Bobbi Boss pre-stretched hair. I didn't even know they made that. And I also used the Shine and Jam. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions down below. Thank you so much for watching. Also, let me know if you want to see more videos of me doing other people's hair, because I know people be trying to go in on me talking about, oh, that's only working on your hair because you got XYZ, blah blah blah. If you want me to do somebody else's hair with a different texture, I would definitely do that. Only if y'all want it though. If y'all don't want that, I'm not gonna put it on here. So let me know what y'all want to see and I will give it to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.